Picture this. You're scrolling through your favorite website when suddenly an ad appears that seems to know exactly what you've been shopping for. How did that happen? And when you click on it, how does the company know to pay for that click? Today we're diving into 4 fascinating concepts that make digital marketing tick behind the scenes. Let's start with programmatic advertising. Think of it as a lightning-fast auction that happens every time you load a web page. In the time it takes you to blink, literally 100 milliseconds, there's an entire bidding war happening for the right to show you an ad. Here's how it works. You visit a news website, and immediately that site sends out a signal saying, "We have a 25-year-old college student from Indiana looking at our sports section. Who wants to advertise to them?" Companies that sell athletic wear, energy drinks, or local gyms all start bidding through their computers. The highest bidder wins, and boom, you see their ad. The crazy part? This auction happens billions of times per day. It's like having millions of tiny auctioneers working at superhuman speed. The technology behind this includes demand-side platforms, or DSPs, that do the bidding for advertisers, and supply-side platforms, SSPs, that represent the websites selling ad space. There's also data management platforms, DMPs, that help everyone understand who you are and what you might want to buy. What used to take weeks of phone calls and paperwork between advertisers and websites now happens automatically in the blink of an eye. It's like having a robot real estate agent that can buy and sell properties while you're still deciding what neighborhood you want to live in. Now, let's talk money. Specifically, how companies pay for digital advertising. There are 3 main ways, and each tells a different story about what the advertiser values most. First, there's CPM, cost per thousand, where the M stands for mil, Latin for thousand. This is like paying rent for a billboard. You pay for every 1,000 people who see your ad, whether they care about it or not. A clothing brand might pay $5 for every 1,000 people who see their ad, regardless of whether anyone clicks. Then there's CPC, cost per click. This is like paying a taxi driver only when you actually get in the cab. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So if your ad is shown 1,000 times but only 10 people click, you only pay for those 10 clicks. This is popular with companies that want to drive traffic to their websites. Finally, there's CPA, cost per action. This is the holy grail. You only pay when someone does exactly what you want them to do. Maybe they sign up for your newsletter, download your app, or buy your product. It's like paying a salesperson only when they actually make a sale. Think of it this way. CPM is like paying for a megaphone. CPC is like paying for people to walk into your store, and CPA is like paying only when they buy something. Each model fits different business goals, and smart marketers often use all 3 depending on what they're trying to achieve. Imagine if you could earn money every time you recommended a great restaurant to a friend and they actually went there. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is, a massive referral network where websites get paid for sending customers to other businesses. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you're reading a tech blog about the best laptops for students. The blogger includes links to specific laptops on Amazon. When you click that link and buy a laptop, the blogger gets a commission, maybe 5% of the sale. The blogger gets paid, Amazon gets a customer they might not have found otherwise, and you get a laptop recommendation from someone you trust. But here's what makes affiliate marketing really interesting. It's based on performance, not promises. Traditional advertising is like paying someone to hold a sign on the street corner, whether anyone buys from you or not. Affiliate marketing is like having thousands of salespeople who only get paid when they actually bring you customers. The key is active management. Companies like NerdWallet have built entire business models around affiliate marketing, earning commissions by helping people find the right credit cards or loans. But successful affiliate programs require constant attention because, just like in any sales force, a small number of top performers drive most of the results. It's essentially democratized sales. Anyone with a website, blog, or social media following can become a salesperson for products they believe in, and they only succeed when their audience actually buys something. Finally, let's decode the mysterious world of email marketing metrics, because in this business, What gets measured gets improved. The most basic metric is open rate. What percentage of people actually opened your email? Industry average is around 21%, but here's the thing. This number can be deceiving because it only counts people whose email clients load images. Then there's click-through rate, the percentage of people who clicked on something in your email out of everyone who received it. And click-to-open rate, the percentage who clicked out of only those who opened the email. Here's why this matters. Let's say you send an email to 10,000 people. 2,000 open it, that's a 20% open rate. Of those 2,000 who opened it, 400 people click on your link. Your click-through rate is 4%, 400 out of 10,000, but your click-to-open rate is 20%, 400 out of 2,000. The click-to-open rate tells you how compelling your email content is to people who actually read it. It's like the difference between knowing how many people walked past your store window versus how many people who came inside actually bought something. Understanding these metrics helps you figure out whether your subject lines need work, low open rates, or your email content needs improvement, low click-to-open rates. From lightning-fast auctions to performance-based partnerships to metrics that reveal customer behavior, digital marketing is a complex ecosystem where technology meets psychology. The next time you see an online ad or receive a marketing email, you'll know there's a fascinating world of strategy and technology working behind the scenes to reach you at just the right moment.